Hey everybody, Lois East with EllieGracesAttic, and today we are going to make a DIY ghost pumpkin, okay? I've seen these all over the interwebs, and I thought I'd try my hand at it. We are using, this is a little mini pumpkin. It's probably about a good 5 inches tall from the Dollar Tree, $1.25, okay? And we are going to use, it's just styrofoam, so we're using that. And we're going to use air dry clay. I got mine at the Dollar General. It costs $1.50 for a little bag like this. This is just 1.76 ounces, and it only takes one of these to do this little mini pumpkin, okay? You just rip that open, and it's gonna come on a plastic little film piece in there. You're just gonna flatten that out. I'll show you what to do in just a second. First thing, because I did it already, so just to save time, we're gonna cut off this little tag. Just get as close as you can to the styrofoam, because you don't want to really rip a hole. I guess it doesn't matter, because we're gonna be, let me just rip it, because you're gonna be covering it. Of course, now it's not gonna want to come out. There we go, got it. Hashtag real life. So we got that, just like that. We're gonna take our air dry clay out of the little bag, and it's on a little film like this. You just unfold it. And all I did, there's a little extra right there, is I just flattened it out with my hands, and I kind of shaped it, right? We're going for the sheet, right? The ghost form. So I just flattened it with my hands, and then I used a cup. You might have a plastic roller or a rolling pin, that's fine too. This kind of helped me smooth it out a little bit. And I kind of just used my fingers and pressed and kind of made little waves, you'll see, all the way around, okay, the best you can. Make sure you got an extra sheet of wax paper down just to help it not stick. So then I'm gonna get, you can get a butter knife, or I have this little razor, and I'm just gonna cut a hole kind of in the center. This is gonna allow our stem to come through at the top. This stuff is really forgiving to work with, okay? So I'm just gonna get the hole out. It doesn't, it's pliable, right? So if the shape messes up, you can fix it, okay? So now I have that, and I'm just gonna kind of gently peel it off of, it's gonna stick a little bit right there, off of this plastic film. I'll get my pumpkin, and I'm gonna kind of get that through, and we're just gonna kind of press it down onto our little pumpkin and get it where we want it, kind of smush up towards the top. We want to close in that stem, and just kind of, it's okay if it's got some ripples, right? Because it's a sheet, right? Or supposed to be like a sheet. Just press it on down, keep going until you get it where you want it. How cute is this? All right. Once you get it where you want it, then you're just gonna kind of smooth it out as best you can. Figure out where you want to do your little face. And first thing that I did is I just used my finger. If you need to get your finger a little wet, I've got a cup of water over here. You can do that, just get it a little damp, and kind of start at the top and make little lines down to kind of give that ripple effect of the sheet. I think I want my little face to be on the other side. Hold on. Again, you just plot, this will be so fun for kids. Just making those little lines down, smoothing it out as you go. So cute. and so forth. Okay. Now, I think I'm gonna do, where do I want my face? I think I want my face on this side. So then what I'm gonna do is just take my finger, this is so easy, no special tools, and I'm just gonna kind of draw the little oval for the eye, making that indentation where the eyeball would be, and I'm gonna kind of, look, see that? And now we're gonna do a second one. They do not have to be identical or exact, just do, this is so cute. And like I said, it's so forgiving. And I think kids would really have a blast with this. So all I'm doing, using my fingers to make those shapes. There's two little eyes. And then we're gonna make a little nose. I'm gonna kind of push this down a little bit more here in the front. And I'm gonna kind of make a wonky nose. Again, this is the fun part. You can make any shape you want. For the nose, for the eyes. And that's our little face right there of our ghost. Isn't he cute? So now what you're gonna do is, I've just got some black acrylic paint. We're gonna take that, we're gonna get our little paintbrush, and we're just going to color in with our paintbrush in that indentation that we just made for our eyes. And this goes so quick. If you have to come back and adjust, you can. Again, it's pliable as long as it is still damp, if it hasn't dried yet. Cute. Oh my gosh. So cute. And there it is. There's my little DIY pumpkin ghost. This is the one I did earlier. I did one earlier. How cute are these? Sweet. This will be a lot of fun for kids. $1.25, $1.50. Acrylic paint is maybe 50 cents if you get it. Oh, this was 49 cents from Walmart, I think. So under $3 for this cute little Halloween craft. Let me know if you do it. Love you guys.